With initiatives like Digital India and innovative technologies like mobile, cloud, AI and analytics, India has been a global pioneer in digitalization. Companies that embrace digital technology and new ways of thinking can improve the customer experience, enhance creativity and efficiency, benefit the environment, and have a constructive impact on society. In the banking, financial services and insurance sector, data digitization is crucial for process optimization and delivering a superior customer experience. Utilizing the latest effective automation technologies, Hitachi Systems India Private Limited digitally transformed a leading insurance company by upgrading its 9-year-old IT infrastructure with smart solutions that enrich the lives of over 250 million people. Hitachi is committed towards driving digital transformation in the BFSI sector by providing robust and secure IT infrastructure, partnering with national and small finance banks, and collaborating with government initiatives like Make in India and Digital India.